How to create an event on Google Calendar. So go to the day that you wish for the event to be created and then click on the create button, which will open up this box here. Now you can populate it through this, or what I tend to do is go through the more options because it gives you a bit more of a detailed layout. So the first thing you need to do is put in the title of the event. After that, you need to enter in the time that the event is going to take place. So you have got a pre-listed set of times, or you can put in your own times if you want to. Just simply type it into the box. Right, the next thing you can choose is whether it's going to be an all-day thing or if you wish for it to repeat or not. If it's just a one-off event, you don't need to do that. But if it's something that repeats, you can choose that option there. If you want it to be a video conference call, you can add a Google Meet link, just simply clicking onto it. And you can put in details of location. This is particularly if it's a physical place that the meeting is going to take place. But if not, if it's a virtual meeting, you can leave that blank. You can put it to specific calendars with specific colors, and you can sort of identify that you're busy at that time. Next thing you can do is put in some details about what the event is about. So you can format it using the format options up here, putting in the details of what the event is about. Right, so once you put your details in, the next thing you want to do is invite your guests. Now you can just type their emails in individually, or if you've got a group created with all the different people in there, you can simply just type that in. So what that will do is it will set it for that entire group, and you can look at individuals within the group by clicking on this drop down, and if you wish to add or remove people specifically, you can click on this to expand it to having them separately. One thing you probably want to make sure you are checking off is whether you want to give the guests any permissions to change things, so things like modify the event or invite others. If you don't want them to be able to do anything, just untick the boxes that you don't want them to be able to do. Once you've done that, you are ready to send it. So if you click save, and box open whether you want to go back to editing, don't want to send it, that's an invite via an email, or you can click send. 9 times out of 10 you probably want to click and send this event to them. Once that's happened, it will go through to them and they'll be given a link to that event.